Hello to my YouTube family, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this WordPress tutorial, I will teach you how you guys can show under maintenance page on your website. If you are supposed to launch your website within few days, if you are doing some amendments or coding work on your website and you want to hide the main page, how you can do it using a simple plugin. Let's get into it. So before starting this tutorial, I will request you to please subscribe the YouTube channel and don't forget to like or subscribe my videos, and stay in touch if you are having any queries or problems. Moreover, for my services, you can contact me by available contact information in the description. Okay, so I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress, and here what I will do, I will click on add new plugin. So how we can go to the plugins? On the dashboard you can see there is a plugins area, and here we can click on add new plugin. So here we will search for under construction. So everybody is almost using this plugin, but I will use this plugin because this plugin is showing a timer and having the option of background slides and animated text. So it's much useful or much functionality than the above one. Okay, so I will activate that plugin. After activating, we can see it over there. I'll click over there and click on customize, and here you will see it will load the customizer for this. Here you can see we can change the logo. We can, let me show you general settings, and here you can see enable. If you want to enable it, you can click on enable, else you can disable this. And if you want to show any message, you can write message over there, and any CSS or analytics code you can put over there. In the layout you can arrange it like logo. If you want to show logo under that text, it will go under that text. So in the countdown, if you want to hide it, you can click on that eye symbol, it will be hidden. And same here you can see the slider. So there is a contact information, it will show the contact information like that. And social icons, it will show the social icons over there, see. And subscription, like same newsletter. So it is up to you, whatever information you want to show, you can show using that app. So I will publish it and I will go back, and here we can change the font family if we want to change, and then the background, there are the all background images. If you want to change it to the any other image, you can do it. Let's try to check this image if it is having any darker background image. This is not the background image. Let me check this plugin. Okay, so this is the image. I have downloaded that, and I will replace with that image. I will click on this upload button. I will upload that image over there from downloads folder, and then I will choose this one and then publish it. And you can see image has changed successfully and it is much prominent now. So you just need to choose the darker background images to show the better layout. Moreover, I think there is opacity option as well. You can increase the opacity of the pattern, see. So it is much functional than other one. I like that plugin. Moreover, you can change your logo. If you want to upload your logo here, you can do it. So I think you guys will love that application. I'm not sponsored by that company. I just like their features, and I hope you guys also will love that application, and it will be easier to use for you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.